Okay, let's play with equations and word problems. We have a number problem. We're going to take all the words, I'm going to read them out, and we're going to transform the words into symbols, because I've got a list of words here. Then we're going to form an equation and find the missing unknown variable, or the letter we don't know what it is. So, in order for us to do this, let me just read it out aloud for you. So we got, solve the product of 7 and y plus 6 is negative 50. Okay, let's break it up into sections and work with these words here. So the first word that comes up is solve. Solve means find the missing unknown. And the unknown is usually denoted by a letter of the alphabet, X, Y, Z, M, W, whatever letter you want to assign to it. So it goes, solve the product of the product. Let's find product. Product is right here, means times, multiply, twice, 3 times. The product of, solve the product of 7 and y. So we're going to multiply 7 and y. Multiply 7 and y. So what's y? Y is the unknown. Up here, that's the certain number that we're after. That's the unknown. We're going to call it y. Solve means find. Solve the product of 7 and y plus 6. Plus 6. Plus 6 right here. There's our plus 6 is minus 50. Whenever you hear the word is, it's the same as this. Is means equal sign. Is. There's our equal sign. Okay, let's put it together now. We're going to form an equation from all these symbols and words. So let's go through it again. Solve, find the missing unknown, which is y. That's what we're looking for. The product of 7 and y. The product of 7 is going to multiply by y. There's our y. The product of 7 and y, we're multiplying them, plus 6. Plus 6 plus 6 is equal sign, negative 50. There's our equation. I'll read it again. Solve the product of 7 and y plus 6 is negative 50. Now let's solve this. Now this is going to be a two-step equation. So you're looking at two things. We want to get rid of and undo everything so we get that y home alone all by itself. So how do we do it? Well, we've got a 7 times a y. We're multiplying here, and we've got a plus 6. Which operation do we undo first? Well, we do the opposite of order of operations. Now, normal order of operations will go divide, multiply, plus, then minus. But we're going, because we're undoing this, we're going in the reverse order. So first you get rid of the pluses and the minuses. So we get rid of this plus 6. Now, what's the opposite of the operation of plus? The opposite of plus is minus. So we're going to use minus up here to get rid of it. So let's minus 6 to get rid of it. If you've got a plus 6, minus 6. And if I do it on this side of the equals, I also do it on the other side. So let's minus 6 from there too. Okay, 6 minus 6 is 0, that cancels, so all we have to do is take the 7y, write it down again here. Let's copy it down, 7y. These just disappeared, they cancelled. And you got equals, bring down the equals. And we have minus 50 minus a further 6. So that's going to give us minus 56. So now we got 7y equals negative 56. What's the order of, what's the operation happening here between 7 and y? It's the product. We're multiplying, aren't we? So we're multiplying. The opposite operation of multiply. Opposite of multiply is divide. So we're going to divide in order to get rid of that 7. So let's divide. Divide by 7. If I do it on this side, I'm going to do it on the other side. Divide by 7. Okay. 7 divided by 7 is 1. So we're left with y all by itself. Bring down the equals. Negative 56 divided by positive 7. Well, the answer is going to be negative because we've got a negative divided by a positive. So let me just put that negative in already. There's our negative. 56 divided by 7, that's going to be 8 because 7 times 8 is 56. So let's put 8. So the unknown variable y is equal to negative 8.